Okay, girls, now exercise 1.1, question number 5. Let A is equal to 2u minus 3 and z o, and B is equal to v 5 minus 3 and w. For what value of u, v and w are A and B equal? So we will start this question. Let's start a solution. Given that the matrix A is equal to the matrix B, it means the values of the matrix A, which are 2u minus 3 and O, will be equals to the values of matrix B, which are v 5 minus 3 and w. So by comparing the corresponding elements, when two matrices are equal, then we can compare their corresponding elements. Okay, so the corresponding elements means 2 is the corresponding element of the element V. It means 2 is equal to V. Minus 3 is the corresponding element of the minus 3. U is the corresponding element of 5. So we will write U is equal to 5. And W, so W is equal to O. Or O is equal to W. So we have found the values of all the matrices, of all the elements which were asked, that find the values of U, V and W. Find the values of U, V and W. So we have found the values of U is equal to 5, V is equal to 2 and W is equals to O. V is equal to 2. Similarly, U is equals to 5 and O is equals to W, or W is equals to O. Okay. Now we will start its next question, that is question number 6. So the question number 6 is let's have a look on it. If the first matrix is equal to the second matrix, then find the values of A, B, C, X, Y and Z. So we will start it. Okay, so the question has been started. Two matrices are equal, so by comparing the corresponding elements, x plus 3 is the corresponding element of 0, it means x plus 3 is equal to 0, z plus 4 is equal to 6, 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2, a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So we have mentioned it that x plus 3 is equal to 0 in equation 1. Similarly, z plus 4 is equal to 6 in equation 2. Then 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. This is equation number 3. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3, equation 4. 0 is equal to 2c plus 2 is equation 5. And b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. This is equation number 6. Okay, now we will solve it one by one. So by taking equation 1, equation 1 is x plus 3 is equal to 0. When x plus 3 is equal to 0, so we will write add minus 3 to both sides. So add minus 3 to both sides. So by adding minus 3 to both sides, we will get minus 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled. So the value of x will be minus 3. Now taking equation 2. Now it's turn to solve the next equation, which is equation number 2. So the equation 2 was z plus 4 is equal to 6. Z plus 4 is equal to 6. Now what will we do? We have to find the value of z. So for that purpose, we will add minus 4 to both sides. So by adding -4 to both sides, we will get z is equal to 2. So we got two values. The first one value was x is x, the values of x, and the next value is the value of z. Now taking equation number 3. Okay, so the equation 3 is 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. So 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. Now by shifting -7 to both sides, so 2y minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2 plus 7. 7 and 7 are cancelled. So 2y is equal to 3y plus 5, because -2 plus 7 will give you plus 5. Now by shifting this 3y to the other side, we will add -3y to both sides. Add -3y to both sides. Now 2y minus 3y is equal to 3y plus 5 minus 3y. 3y and 3y are cancelled. Plus 2y and minus 3y will give you minus y is equal to 5, or y is equal to minus 5. How y is equal to minus 5? By multiplying -1 to both sides. Now taking equation 4. So taking equation 4. The equation 4 is a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. We will solve this equation. A minus 1 is equal to 3. To find the value of a, we will add +1 to both sides. So a minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. -1 and +1 are cancelled, so a is equal to 4. The value of a is equal to 4. Okay girls, equation 4 was a minus 1 is equal to -3. So a minus 1 is equal to -3. It is -3 plus 1, so -3 plus 1 will give us a is equal to -3 plus 1 is equal to -2. Okay, now it's time to solve the next equation. So taking the fifth one equation. The fifth one equation is 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. So we will write it 0 is equal to 2c plus 2. Now to find the value of c, we will add -2 to both sides. Add -2 to both sides. So 0 minus 2 is equal to 2c plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Now 0 minus 2 is equal to -2. Okay, now to find the value of c, we will divide both sides by 2. Okay, so -2 is equal to 2c. By dividing 2 to both sides, we will get -1 is equal to c, or we can write by symmetric property that c is equal to -1. Now the last one equation is equation number 6, which is b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. So taking equation 6, which is b minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. So by adding +3 to both sides, b minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4 plus 3. So we got b is equal to 2b plus 4 plus 3 will give us +7. Now to shift 2b to the other side, we will add minus 2b to both sides. Okay, so b minus 2b is equal to 2b plus 7 minus 2b. So 1b minus 2b will be equals to minus b is equal to plus 7, or b is equal to minus 7. How we got b is equal to minus 7? By multiplying minus 1 to both sides. So we have found all the values of a, b, c and x, y, z.